All right, you guys. Oh, wait. Hey, Bolo buddies. Thanks for watching. Okay. So went to a garage sale today, picked this up, and my dog is drinking water. I apologize. I picked these stickers up today and I took a peek and I'm like, I have to do a video. Hey, Bolo buddies. Thanks for watching. Full-time reseller. All right, let's get started. But right here, I noticed it says stickers plus book. You guys, I did not get the book. I was literally like in a big hurry. So I don't know if I missed the book or if maybe somebody bought the book and they changed the price of the stickers, but I'm like wanting to know what was in the book. So I'm going back first thing in the morning. I was there. It was later in the afternoon, and I think they said they were going to be open until 6. So maybe somebody else bought the book, but I'm going to take this little piece and I'm going to be like, where's the book? Because you guys wait until you see these stickers. Okay, so this one it says Meyer. So I don't know if this is just something that Meyer gave away. This one is nothing. You guys just wait. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. These are the stickers that I want, that I always hope I get. Not these, but I am gonna look these up. Somebody might want them. This is another thing it looks like maybe Meyer was giving away. I don't know. I don't think it's a sticker. It's just a ruler. Hey, that might be good for my photos. Okay, are you guys ready? So, Scratch and Sniff Puffy stickers. Yes, unfortunately, some of them are missing on this one. Let's see. I want to see if it still smells. You guys, it totally still smells. So if you don't know, Scratch and Stiff, oh my gosh, Scratch and Sniff are a Bolo. Puffy stickers are a Bolo, and this is both. I haven't looked any of these up yet, so I'm gonna get them listed. Hopefully I'll have some screen shares to pop up for you guys, but there are still, well, this one's kind of off, but there's still a few. But wait, this one is complete, you guys. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. And you guys, even if it's not as great as I think, it's still gonna be great. I paid $3 for all of these, okay? And just wait. Just wait, I'm so pumped up. I've never been so excited about stickers in my life. Okay, are you ready? This was stuck to the back. This one says, Getting Carried Away. So it's another vintage Puffy sticker. I'm trying to see if I can, this is like stuck on something, so that's probably not good. It's not on the side that's silky, so. Okay, this is different. It looks like it's not a sticker, but it is stickers. Kind of makes a scene, which is kind of different. American greeting cards. Definitely vintage, definitely adorable, but missing a sticker, but that's okay. Look at this, you guys. 1984. Is that Alvin? And that one is still, oops. Smart, right? You can see it, that actually goes on there, and I'll get it back on. And it's still sticky, you guys, even from 1984. Still sticky. How cool is that? So I am probably going, I know this is going to sound crazy, but I'm probably going to list these individually, and it's going to take some time. This one is GII. I'll have to look that brand up. I'm not sure what that is. We've got some Raggedy Ann and Andy, but again, not complete. 1981, you guys, and they are the Puffy stickers. So these are definitely gonna do well. I'm really excited. This looks like a hodgepodge of different ones that somebody has just stuck on this paper. Again, not the, they've actually stuck them on the paper. So maybe that's what they're calling stickers and book. I don't know. I'm gonna find out tomorrow because I'm definitely going back. If I can find it. Oh my gosh, I hope I can find it. Okay, these are cool. These are Coca-Cola. And again, they're the Puffy stickers. No markings on that one. Wait until you see this, you guys. Ah! This is the most exciting sticker lot I've ever gotten. So these are candy. Huh! How cool is that? And they're the Puffy stickers. So again, I'm gonna be doing my research. Look at this, the Hamburglar from 1984. Okay, are you guys ready? Get out of town. Get out of town. It's Skeletor, you guys, and He-Man. Yes! Somebody's totally gonna want these 1984. Is that sweet? So cool. I mean, I wish it was on the original sheet or however these came. But these are actually by Mattel. So I don't know if there's more in there or not. Jello Pudding Pops, 1984. So that's pretty cool too. Somebody will want that. These are 1981. Here Comes Trouble, Frogger. Oh, it says Sega. Huh, is Frogger a game? So those could be good, but again, that one's damaged. Yeah, those might be okay. We have some butterfly Puffy stickers. And it tells what butterfly it is. These are Imperial Toys 1983. So those should definitely do okay. Is that Puff the Magic Dragon? I don't know who these guys are, but definitely cool. This one is just basic, probably not a lot of money on this one. They're flat stickers, stick-eponymous. These probably are not as old. I'm trying to see if I can find a date. I don't see a date, but I'm pretty sure these are not as old, like 99.9% sure. Unfortunately, these are from 1986, but they were taken off of this side and put on this side, so that's a bummer. I don't know if somebody will buy those or not. Some more rulers. This is a Disney bears, a couple bears. Let's see, Smile Makers. You guys, this is Sandy Lion, and she is highly collectible. If you go to my Bolo Buddies YouTube channel, my stickers video, stickers to Bolo for, oh my goodness, you guys, go check it out. You will be amazed. You will see why I'm so excited about this. And I don't know if I have any huge money ones, but I know I'm gonna make a lot of money just based on how many I have. So that was just a rainbow, but super cute. Here's a Spider-Man. Very cool. This one is used, unfortunately. And then we've got this guy, 1984, Kent Toys, Moody, Happy Moody. I don't know what that is. This one is cool too. It also has been used, so maybe I can sell those together. The thing is somebody might want the graphics and they can tape it to something. Yes, I have another Scratch and Sniff Puffy stickers. Oh my goodness, so cool. Oh my goodness, you guys, where's the beef? Wendy's, 1984. What on earth? These are so cool. So cool. Wow. Okay, these are just, they're kind of the puff, yeah, they're Puffy stickers, but they're just, they're kind of boring compared to the others. I don't see a brand or anything, so I don't know about those. Here's some more cool ones. But again, I think they're on regular, oh, they're on an, you guys, there's an envelope. I want to open it. Wouldn't it be nice if there was like $100 in here? Oh my goodness. It's empty. They just stuck stickers on it, unfortunately. Oh, look at the ice cream cone with googly eyes. You guys, how cute. That one's 1978, the Garfield. Okay, we have a Barbie. These are the puff, oh, don't stick. The Poofy or Puffy? Puffy. Poofy. Oh my goodness, it's late. Puffy stickers, 1984. These are all the same, holding a birthday cake. There's 3 of those. I will probably sell those individually. Sniffy Sticky. Fragrant Puffy sticker. Scrape and sniff. These are not scratch and sniff. They are scrape. I'm trying. There we go. Wow. How cool is that? Made in Japan, you guys. 1982. I am like so excited. E.T. E.T. Wow. This is an amazing lot. I am just beside myself. So cool. I had a sticker book when I was a kid. I loved stickers. Look at these. So cool. I wonder what collectors do with them, if they put them in a book or if they leave them on these original things. This one doesn't seem like it's... Oh yeah, it is. So those are Easter Puffy stickers. I wish that they were dated. Those aren't dated. We've got another rainbow. We've got another Moody. Another rainbow. We've got some traffic signs, and these are all the Puffy. Oh my gosh. Puffy stickers, 1980 on those. Imperial. We've got some more E.T. This is obviously not the right sticker. Another Spider-Man. We're getting towards the end here. More of these. I might sell those together. Here's some of these. Another Barbie. Another moon. Okay, so this is on a piece of foil, which is a little bit different. We have another Pudding Pops and another moon. Another Skeletor, yes! You guys, Masters of the Universe is so collectible. Bubble Yum, this one might do well. I mean, you don't see this kind of stuff. This is awesome. Butterfly with googly eyes. More Frogger. Sega Frogger, I don't know. I'm so curious to look some of these up. Alvin. Happy Moody. Another Happy Moody. Oh my goodness. Look at that Barbie. That's old. But that's from the 80s too. Oh, it's so cool. Look at this one, you guys. How cool. A rainbow unicorn. So cool. I think. Yeah, it's not, I don't know if that's original or not, but it's another moon. And we've got some Smurfs. All right, you guys. What do you think? What do you think? I think I'm super excited. Super cool. I think I hit the sticker jackpot. So I am gonna look some of these up and I will keep you guys posted on how these do. Who's he from? I feel like he's, I don't know. I feel like I know him from a show. Like one of the, oh, what is that show where he turns into like a rock? It's like an adult show, but it has like, oh, the superheroes in it. I can't think of what his name is. I don't even know if it's the right guy. All right, thanks for being here and thanks for watching. And please leave me a comment down in the comment section and let me know what you think about these awesome, amazing stickers. You guys know how I feel. I probably sound like a rambling goofball, so excited about these stickers. All right, you guys, thanks for watching. Okay, you guys, I'm going to show you how I listed all of these fabulous stickers. A lot of this is going to be some trial and error for me because I really don't know a ton about stickers. I did look up some solds. Some of these I'm going to take a chance on if I couldn't find any comparables, and we're going to try auction, and if they don't sell, I will relist them as a buy it now or best offer. So this set right here is just stuck to paper, so they are still really cool, and somebody could use them like in scrapbooking, take them off and just use like glue and glue them onto the pages, so they're not completely like a waste. They are 1981 Sega, and they're those frogs. All right, so I'm just gonna go through and show you guys all of the listings that I got from this bag of stickers. This was a crazy good deal with some really, really neat stickers. I should be able to sell one listing, and well, yeah, one listing will make my money back and the rest will be all profit. The ones like the E.T. and the Barbie, I mean, these are things that people collect and like, so they may do well just for that reason. Now, these also may be kind of a long tail item. There are certain stickers that are a big money bolo. I do have a video showing you stickers that to bolo for, to be on the lookout for, but that is, oh, I probably did that video. I did that a little while ago, but still very, very relevant. And that is over on my main Bolo Buddies channel. So definitely go over and check out that video if you haven't seen it. Like the Alvin and the Chipmunk and this rainbow, I have multiples. So those are a multi-quantity listing. Just one listing. Let's say I have 3 of the rainbows. It's so easy to list multi-quantity. These are the ones that I think are going to bring me the most money. These are Scratch and Sniff. And these aren't your typical Scratch and Sniff that go for big money, but I do think the right buyer will come along and want these. So again, I'm starting them at $49.99. If they do not sell, they will probably go to a buy it now of something ridiculous. So these all had issues. They were either on paper or incomplete. So I just went ahead and put those in a lot. This is a Scratch and Sniff, but they it's kind of partially used. So that's kind of a bummer. But just so many fantastic stickers. And they're all Puffy stickers, and Puffy stickers are definitely a be on the lookout. This was not a part of it. That was something else. This was not a part of it. I think we may be down to some other new old stock stickers that I picked up, and I'm not sure why those are not marked 25% off. That is something totally different. So I think that's it. We're getting into some other sticker things that I have available that I've picked up at different places. These were retail arbitrage sticker books, which are more of an activity book, and then they have stickers in them, but that has nothing to do with this video. I just want to make sure. That's a huge sticker scrapbooking lot that I have listed. I can't believe it has not sold. It's a great lot. Yeah, I think that was it. I just wanted to make sure that something wasn't mixed in. I love this one. This is the HER Realtors. It's from 1985. That's another one I am shocked. I thought that that would sell right away. It's, you know, really cool for somebody who sells real estate. We got some Halloween stickers. Hopefully somebody will be buying those. So yeah, I've got lots of stickers in my store, but mostly the Puffy stickers are what came in this vintage lot, as you guys saw in the video. All right, thanks for being here. Thanks for watching. If you see anything you're interested in, most of these items are up for auction. Some of them are at a buy it now. My link is down in the description of the video, and let me know if you guys have any questions, and be sure to head over to my main Bolo Buddies channel and check out that category Bolo video on stickers. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the description of the video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.